So shall these stones arise, and shall the earth contrive to fill with waters clear these wasted lakes and thrive. So shall these valleys seem, and shall these blackened hills stir with the spirit of life. Behold Excalibur shine. I am the water, I am the earth, and the wind across the ocean. I am the fire, and I am the rain, and the flowers that grow in springtime, and a new day comes with the dawn. I shall with death be done, and when all evil's gone, I'll build a fortress strong, a citadel to love. I shall with wise men learn, and as the seasons turn, I'll raise a tower of light wherein the flame of hope shall burn. Oh, I am the water, I am the earth, and the wind across the ocean. I am the fire, and I am the rain, and the flowers that grow in springtime, and a new day comes with the dawn. See how our father's land in desolation stands. Through feudal darkness reigns the beast in every man. See how our country falls unto the heathen hordes. Across deserted moors I hear the dragon